Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English listening practice. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It is something you cannot buy with money. It is something nobody can give you, and it is something you must build inside yourself. That thing is called self-belief. Believing in yourself means trusting yourself. It means believing that you can learn. It means believing that you can improve. It means believing that you can achieve your goals, even when the journey is difficult. Maybe right now you do not believe in yourself very much. Maybe you look at other people and think they are better than you. Maybe you think they are smarter. Maybe they are more confident. Maybe they speak English better than you. Maybe they have better opportunities. And sometimes you ask yourself, can I really do it? The answer is yes, you can. But you have to start believing in yourself. You do not have to believe that you are perfect. You only need to believe that you can become better. That is enough. Think about a small seed. When you look at a seed, you cannot see a big tree. You only see something very small. But inside that small seed, there is potential. With water, sunlight, time, and care, the seed grows. Your life is similar. Right now, you may feel like a small seed. You may not see your future clearly. You may not know exactly where you will be in 5 years. But that does not mean you cannot grow. You have potential inside you. You have abilities. You have dreams. You have ideas. You have strength. You just need to give yourself time and effort. Never judge your future by your current situation. Your life today is not the final version of your life. You can change. You can learn. You can start again. You can become stronger. Maybe you failed yesterday. That does not mean you will fail tomorrow. Maybe something did not work last year. That does not mean it will never work. Sometimes life gives us difficult moments, because those moments teach us important lessons. Failure can teach you. Problems can teach you. Rejection can teach you. Even disappointment can teach you. So when something goes wrong, do not immediately say, I am a failure. Instead, say, this experience can teach me something. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What can I do differently next time? What can I improve? These questions are powerful. They help you move forward. Believing in yourself does not mean that you never feel afraid. You can believe in yourself and still feel nervous. You can believe in yourself and still have doubts. You can believe in yourself and still make mistakes. The difference is that you do not allow fear to control your life. You feel the fear, but you keep moving. You have doubts, but you keep trying. You make mistakes, but you learn and continue. That is real courage. Sometimes, the biggest person standing in your way is not another person. It is you. Your negative thoughts can become a wall. You may tell yourself, I am not good enough. I cannot do this. I am too late. I am not talented. I will fail. But remember, a thought is not always a fact. Just because you think you cannot do something does not mean you actually cannot do it. Change the way you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, I cannot speak English, say, I am learning to speak English. Instead of saying, I am not good at this, say, I am getting better at this. Instead of saying, I will never succeed, say, I will keep trying until I find a way. Your words have power. The way you speak to yourself can change the way you feel. So, speak to yourself with kindness. Do not become your own enemy. Become your own supporter. Imagine that your best friend is trying to achieve a dream. Would you tell your friend, you are useless? You cannot do it. You will definitely fail. Of course not. You would probably say, keep going. Believe in yourself. You can do it. You are improving. So why not say the same things to yourself? You deserve your own encouragement. You deserve patience. You deserve another chance. You deserve to believe in yourself. Another important thing is to stop waiting for other people to believe in you. Sometimes people around you may not understand your dreams. They may say, that is too difficult. You cannot do it. Why are you trying? Be realistic. Do not become angry with them. Sometimes people speak from their own fears. Their limitations are not necessarily your limitations. You do not need everyone to understand your dream. You need to understand your dream. You need to know why it matters to you. And then you need to take action. Your life is your responsibility. Other people can give you advice. They can support you. They can encourage you. But you are the person who must take the first step. So, take that step. Even if it is small. If your goal is to learn English, learn 5 new words today. If your goal is to become healthier, take a short walk. If your goal is to start a business, learn something new about business. If your goal is to improve your career, develop one useful skill. Do not worry about doing everything at once. Focus on one small step. Small steps become habits. Habits become progress. Progress creates confidence, and confidence makes the next step easier. Remember this. You do not need to see the whole staircase. You only need to see the next step. Sometimes we become stressed because we think too much about the future. We think about everything that can go wrong. We think about all the problems. We think about how far we still have to go. But instead of thinking about the whole journey, focus on today. Ask yourself, what can I do today? What small thing can I improve today? What can I learn today? That is enough. One good day may not change your life, but many good days together can change your life completely. So, be patient. Growth takes time. A tree does not become big in one day. A student does not become fluent. Maybe you made bad decisions. Maybe you wasted time. Maybe you missed opportunities. Maybe you trusted the wrong people. Maybe you did not work hard enough before. It is okay. You cannot change yesterday, but you can change today. Today is another opportunity. Tomorrow is another opportunity. Every morning gives you another chance to become a better version of yourself. So forgive yourself for your past mistakes. Learn from them. Then move forward. Do not carry yesterday everywhere you go. Leave some things behind. Your future needs your attention. Your dreams need your energy. Your present moment needs your focus. Believe that you can become better. Believe that you can learn new things. Believe that you can overcome difficult situations. Believe that you can build the life you want. Maybe the journey will not be easy. Maybe there will be problems. Maybe there will be days when you want to quit. On those days, remember why you started. Remember your dream. Remember how far you have already come. You have survived difficult days before. You have solved problems before. You have learned things before. You are stronger than you think. So do not give up on yourself. There may be people who do not believe in you. There may be moments when you do not believe in yourself. But keep going, because sometimes you have to believe in yourself before anyone else does. One day, the things that seem difficult today may become easy. One day you may look back and say, I am glad I did not give up. And that day can come, but you must continue. You must take action. You must believe. So today, make a promise to yourself. Say, I believe in myself. I believe I can learn. I believe I can improve. I believe I can overcome challenges. I believe I can achieve my goals. I will not give up on myself. Say these sentences every day, not because saying them will magically solve everything, but because they remind you of the person you want to become. You are still learning. You are still growing. You are still becoming stronger. Your story is not finished. There are still many chapters left. So keep writing your story. Keep learning. Keep trying. Keep moving. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You may not be where you want to be yet, but you are on your way. And sometimes being on the way is already a victory. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing your English. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, you are capable of more than you think. See you in the next English listening practice. Keep going, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself.